Right. Good morning. Good morning. Ajay. Where is Ajay Reddy? Surya Prakash.
Still sleeping, sir.
Huh?
Surya. Surya is still sleeping, sir.
Ajay, he didn't come today, ma'am. What about morning hour, first hour? So finally, end of
He
the
came, sir.
huh? End of the class, he will be there.
He came, sir.
Surya Prakash.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you are there.
I'm here, sir.
Yes, sir. You
Yes.
should be there. Then only
Hmm.
I'll be happily teaching you. Huh?
Are you happy now?
Yeah, I'm happy now.
Aste, aste.
Yeah. So some of the examples I can expect from you people. I can expect from you.
Sure,
That is
sir.
the reason I want always you and Jay, some of the key persons.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Right, sir. So had Tiffin.
No, sir.
Right. So good morning. Today we'll discuss scenario development and some of the legal issues. And one more topic is social impact statements. So these three will be discussing scenario, social impacts, and legal issues. What are the legal issues to be taken care in managing designing process? So in the designing process, what are the scenarios, legal issues, and social impact statements for early design. So this is the things we have to do it. The scenario development. So you can take any example for the scenarios. So textbook they have given two examples. So for example, one grandmother. So here stories only, Baba. What to do? We have to repeat the same type of examples again, feeling bored. So let us take some examples. So one grandmother took her grandson to one museum. So there, once you sometimes once we go to the museums, they will be playing sometimes the movies. So what's the previous movies? What's happened? All these things. So there, where she went along with his grandfather, grandson. So they have watched one story, it seems. So some of the museum, maybe 1930 years, what happened in history, they have shown it. So that means what? The scenario is nothing but then she has asked what you learn from that. So what was there in that? So then he was telling that. So have seen something like this, some of the videos. So like that. So that means what scenario development means. So the scenario development is nothing but once you see that, so you can be able to remember that, and that also how they have done interfaces, user interfaces. That means what? So maybe 50 years back or 60 years back, that's for the museums once we go. So Vishweshwaraya Museum, all these things. So what happened? So suppose if you go to Mysore and all, so their rajas, what they have used items, all these things they have kept it in the museum. So that we can think what happened there, how they were living, all these things. That's all. So that is what the scenario here. And one more example, the postman. So sometimes when they are giving the postman, when he's doing the jobs, he will be delivering the letters to the destination. So destination for what happened, maybe he may be educated or uneducated, maybe education less or whatever it may be. So technology, we don't know that. So we are registering through register post sometimes, or a speed post or ordinary post, whatever it may be. He doesn't know all those things. So he will be delivering to the destination. So nowadays, now technology changed. Even if it is a speed post means or registered post means, they have to take the signature and they have to update it in that website. So that is what this one. So that means what the scenario is nothing but something like this. So postman job is nothing but what? So they have to deliver, and after delivering, they have to update the message, deliver the to so and so person. That means what? The technologies they're using website. So recently, now the Indian Post, if you see it, suppose if I registered one speed post, or if I post one letter through register post, so everything I can track it out, where it is there, when it will be delivering. After delivering, I will be getting the message your item is got delivered, something like that. So that's what the technology they are using. But some of the people may not be knowing the technology, but still they are part of that. That is what the interfaces given between the sender and the user, in between so many people. So once you book that, so they will be booking, they will be packing, and they will be sending all these things, the information they will be entering into the website. So that is what the one more example they have given scenario. So this is called the scenarios. So many examples they have given it. So you can write any one example for that scenarios. So what's happened there? So when one grandmother he took, so he's along with grandson. She went to museum, and museum there they have seen one video. So then afterwards the video he was telling the experience, what happened there, how they were shown all those things. That is called also this one. So actually grandmother and grandson, they may not be knowing the technology, but still they are part of that one. That means what destination they have seen that. So that technically some of the people are there, they will be operating that. So that is what the interfaces, how it's be happening from one end to another end. So museum is there, and people are visiting. So once it is visiting there, so these people, whether they know the technology or not, doesn't matter. So they will be watching, they will be paying some amount, and they will be watching the videos, and they will be coming. So they will be coming out of that with some knowledge, something like that. So that is what the happening scenario development. So developments, that means once it is happened that one, then again still they will be developing that one. So now day in the live scenarios characterize what happens when users perform the typical task. So what will be happening, characterize what happens when the users perform typical task. Second one is can be acted out as the form of walkthrough. Next one is may be used as a basis for video tape. So video tape is nothing but that one only I told you the museum example. So may be used as basis for video tape. So this is what they can be accepted out as the form of walkthrough. So walkthrough is nothing but once we move to the museum walkthrough, so can we see that? So we can be able to see that one, either video, or sometimes they will be showing the movie like audio, video, both. Sometimes only we can visit and come. So different options, different ways. So that is what the things will be happening day in the life scenarios. So day life in the scenarios is nothing but this is what the examples in and around we are seeing the examples. So some of the useful tools, what it is, table of user communicates across the tape, across the top, task listed down the side. So table of user communities across top, task listed down the side. This is what the useful tools they can use it. Table formats communicate how to across the top. So top is nothing but so the destination people, how they will be communicating to the people. So table of task sequences. So how they will be making sequences. So videos and all that time based on the pictures, diagrams, they will be making sometimes videos. So in that case, table of task sequences, how to make that one using the technologies. Now also they are making that one. So histories, based on the histories, sometimes they will be seeing the movies. So movies also we are seeing. So how they are making based on the previous history. So flowchart or transition diagrams. So you can make it flowchart and transition diagrams. So once you read the history, you can write the flowchart and the transition diagram. So once you write that, then you can be developing. These all called the useful tools. So useful tools is nothing but some of the cases they'll be writing like the tabular columns. So they'll be having given the informations in that. So what's happened that one? History 1950, what happened, 60, what happened. For example, if you take our computers only. So they have started with 60s, 50s, 60s only. So like computer means like big, very big pipelines, something like that. So you have say you can see the history when they developed the systems and all. So then they developed the desktop, so we can use in the some systems and then we can develop it. So that also P1 systems, so 386, 486, next 586, P1, P2, P3, P4. So next is I3, I5, I7. So something like that. Now what happening is when the versions are developing, so they're developing the technology also, sizes also reduced, weight also got reduced, all these things happen. So now you see the initial stages. So even some of the languages also so tough. So like basic languages, so tough, they've implemented all those things. Then later stages, new tools came, technologies came. All these things, how to learn it? Based on the previous experience, what it is available the previous. That is what the all these calls, this is also called one scenario. These what this information's useful tools is nothing but that only. Useful tools is nothing but whatever we want to develop, even some of the apps, all these things. So we'll be seeing present what happening, previous what happened, and what needs for the society environment. So that is what the useful tools. So either you can take the table sequence or flowcharts or algorithms or table of the user communities across top. So tasks listed down the side. So tasks listed down the side. So you write it the task down, how to do it, all these things. That is one step. So sequences you write it the second one, and flowchart to come to the flowchart. Then you can go for the implements. So here is scenario is nothing but nothing simple examples. So you can take any examples what's happening there. Scenario, one scenario is nothing but like one story here. So you can take. So suppose college function only you can take. So what's happening? So first HOD will be telling, or program coordinator will be telling, this function should be like this. So we have to conduct something like this. That is what the one scenario. So that is what the scenario development. Then once we have idea, then we'll be implementing. So for example, if I want to conduct one meeting means the function means college day function or something. So first we will be thinking either department wise or college wise. If it is department wise, how many people are participating? So what are the items to be given? Either we have to provide lunch or breakfast or tiffin or lunch. So with snacks, coffee, tea, all these things. So we have to first make the preparation. Then according to that, how much amount is required. Or if they give an amount first, then we'll decide what to be given and what we can provide for the with availability budget. So that is what the all these things are called the scenarios. Next, social impact statement for early design reviews. Social impact statement for early design. I hope I have sent all of you one Google Sheet. Do you receive that before starting the class? Surya Prakash?
Yes, sir.
You got one Google Sheet?
What, sir?
Do you got Google Sheet? I've sent one Google Sheet.
Okay, sir.
So today's class only some of the questions I've asked. You can see that, you can note it and you can write it that. So simple question only. Social impact statement for early design review. So social impact statement for early design review is nothing but, so before starting early designing is nothing but, so these also we need to consider that one. So early design. So that means what? If it is something happen social impact statements, then you have to stop that, or you have to redesign, or you have to what to be done for that. For example, so nowadays now companies we are saying, so when they are developing the companies, first itself they have to take the permissions from the environment and government. All these things are big processes. So environment, all these things means when they are developing any company or when they are putting one company there, so environment should not be disturbed. That is what the social impact statement of early design reviews. So we are seeing now, so big apartments. So actually they have to take the permission to do it. So that all wastewater they are giving to the lake. That is there are that people also that are spoiling the environment. So that should not be happen. So only for organizations, when the big companies, for them they've told it. So something goes wrong also, that should not be disturbed. So for example, we have seen some of the big bridges. So Mysore, so dam they've constructed. So something goes wrong also, the people should not be disturbed such a way that they have to construct the bridge. So even if rain comes or more water comes also, should not be disturbed in and around people. So that is what the social impact statement for early design. So they have to keep in that mind, should not be disturbed social environment. So not only the pollution, even the living of the people also, they should be taken care. So that is what the social impact statement for early design reviews. So you have to do the reviews on these things. So suppose if they're putting in company, if the smoke is coming out, that one also should be taken care. So how much spoiling the pollution, or whether they're spoiling the pollution or not. All these things to be considered, and they have to take care for the environment. That is what the brief introduction for the social impact statement for early design reviews. So any company or any organization should not be disrupt social environment. Social environment like pollution, water, or living of the people in and around. So for example, agriculture is going on nearby surrounding in that company. So their life should not be disturbed. So these people, some of the areas we are, sometimes we used to listen in the news and the waste, if they live into the lakes and all, what will happen if somebody put the water, bore also, the water, it will be coming the same smell, something like that. So that is should not be happen. They have to take care when they are doing any business, so such a way that the place should be selected. So pollutions, all these things to be considered. So social impact statement for early design reviews. Let us see one by one what will happen. Describe the new systems and its benefits. So we need to decide what is the describe the new system and its benefit. So first itself, we need to tell what are the systems you are giving. For example, if it is mobile, means new mobile, if they're designing, they have to say that what are the benefits for that. So existing one community is coming, they have to come with new features. Then only they can attract the people, attract the users. So now in this, convey the high level design goals of the new systems. I hope you can take one example like nowadays either computers or mobiles. Mobile is the best example. So when it is coming, convey the high level goals of the new systems. So they have to convey the new high levels. So what are all the facilities, what are all the advantages are available, they have to tell to the users. That is what the first statement is called, convey the high level goals of the new systems. Second one is called identify the stakeholders. So now you need to identify who are all the stakeholders. So who are all the stakeholders? So different business, different people. So for example, if the company is developing only the agricultural products, so they will be targeting only the who are all doing agriculture, like villages people. So villages people, that means technologies when they are using, they can do it. For example, paddy and all, if they want to develop all these things, rice items and all. So now previously 20 years back only people are human beings, they used to cut and they used to remove all these things. Now what happened? So when it is coming to the end of the crop, so machines they are using. So one or two people it is required. So that equipments, they need to targeted people. So now identify the stakeholders is nothing but who are all the identifiers. Now for example, if they want to develop car, who are all the identifiers? If they are keeping engineering colleges, so engineering colleges means who will be studying the engineering, or MCA college, who will be studying MCA. So target the people. So identify the stakeholders. So identify the stakeholders is nothing but for a college alumni meet nowadays you are attending. So parent teachers meeting. So who are all conducting meeting when we are conducting all conduct stakeholders is nothing but parents, society, nearby people, industry people, educationalists, students, all are called the stakeholders. That's what NBA process sometimes will be explaining is called the overall the stakeholders. So all are called the stakeholders. So here also business people also they need to identify the target people. So that is what the second point. Next is identify the specific benefits. So what are the benefits is required? You have to identify. This is what the new systems and benefits is nothing but three. So you need to what is your goals, identify the stakeholders, and what are the benefits are available for the particular product. You need to tell it. So then only that is what early design first itself. So when you want to start the business, any business, so whether it will be you should have the idea. You should have the idea. So then only you can do it. Otherwise, it's difficult. So here, one of our student 3 years back. So when he was studying only, so he has completed. Then he has started the gas agency and one petrol bunk. Now he is running one business, and that's what they have to identify where to open that is important. So early designing is nothing but suppose if I open here the petrol bunk whether it will work or not. So 10 years back the rush was very less in this single route was there nothing. But now you see how much population increased, how many vehicles are moving, no business is developed. So that's what we should have idea to implement it. So that time land rates also was low. So he has identified and he has kept them. So now if you want to buy in and around surrounding the main road, if you want to open one petrol bunk also now we have to spend huge amounts. So that's what the early design is nothing but you should have the idea whatever you are doing, either small business or big business, but doesn't matter. You should have the ideas and targeted people for all the targeted people. So when he has taken the gas agency, he know that it is developing, many people are coming, so that I can improve that. So yes, many people will be taking so that my business will not be disturbed. So that he had the idea and he has opened it. Now he's running. Next, second one is outline the development process. Outline the development process. So present and estimated project schedule. So outline of the development project is nothing but before coming to BMSIT or to join MCA program. So some of the people through CET came, some of the people through management came. Suppose if you are coming through PGCET or management, first itself parents will be thinking. Suppose if you get through CET, PGCET, how much fees we have to pay. So for a year, for example, 80,000 here means maybe other expenditure 20 to 30,000 rupees. So 1,30,000. So into 3, maybe other expenditures. So all these things they will be calculating whether we can be able to do it or not. So how to adjust the money, all these things. So when you are developing the outline of the development process also, we should have the idea how much expenditure is coming. For example, if you want to construct the house, so before construction itself, we should have some idea. Suppose if I am having land, how much I have to spend it. Suppose if I don't have land, have to take land, then have to construct. Suppose if I am having only 30 to 40 lakhs my budget, so if I am thinking like inside the city, maybe Jayanagar or Bansankri or Lankanda, so maybe it is not possible. So that's why we have to estimate your project schedule, project amount, all these things. So present and estimated project schedule. So once you start this, you should have the schedule time, all these things. So propose process for making the decisions. So you propose process for making the decisions is nothing but, so sometimes we need to take the decisions. So house, if you are giving for the construction for one person, so half of the process he has finished, then he will not be coming only. So just you will be saying, I'll come tomorrow. So you need to take the actions to complete that. Either you have to catch that person, whether he will be coming or not. If he is not coming, sometimes we need to change the contracting also. That is what they propose the process for making the decisions. Next is discuss expectations of how stakeholders will be involved. So stakeholders also to be involved. So that's what recently, who is Aishwarya, no? Not Aishwarya, Ashwani na. Well, in your class, one student is attended, no? Aishwarya, na?
No, sir.
Aishwarya?
You have Shashank, sir.
Shashank. No, no. Last week, this one, a DAP meeting we have conducted, no? Who has attended?
Apurva, sir.
Apurva. Where is Apurva?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
You're here early, no? So they've called all the stakeholders also, no? So
Yes,
maybe
sir.
student side you have attended, parent side anybody has attended that day? Even I had class, I didn't. Last
No,
I have joined. Anybody has attended? Okay. So other stakeholders, maybe from the industry also some of the people, some of the educational institutions they have attended. So that means what you have the discussions whether to keep mathematics or not. So mathematics is most important. Somebody was telling basic subjects. Some many discussions happen. That's what the way of involvement for the stakeholders also. Maybe students, maybe you should know that. Some of the you will be giving the comments here. Sir, what are this subject? All these things. So they have some of the guidelines. According to that only they will be making. So they will be making the IT industry people what they need it. So how to train the students here. So then go to the industry, then they will work it comfortably. Suppose the IT industry is something and we are doing something means it's meaningless. Again, you have to spend some more time to learn some of the technologies, all these things. So that is the reason. So you need to involve the stakeholders will be involved. So discuss. That's what you have the discussions, no? Apurva?
Yes, sir. We
Yeah,
had discussed.
you max almost 10 o'clock started up to 12 o'clock went. So we had discussions.
Yes,
So then they will be fine tuning all the syllabus. That's what this one also. Discuss expectations of the how stakeholders will be involved. Stakeholders is nothing but even we have the IT industry people also. So we have called IT industry people. So they have told their opinion. So finally, there was some of the people, many people they have told you learn first basics is most important. Once you learn the basics, automatically can be involved all these things. That's why we have to keep first year almost maximum basic subjects. So fundamentals is most important. So that's what they have suggested. So next is recognize needs for more staff, training and hardware. So we need to find out, recognize needs for more staff, training and hardware. Next, propose plan for backups of data and equipments. So this is also important. When they are doing backups is important. Suppose with respect to IT, so like us. So whenever you are doing any projects, mini projects or PBL, whatever it may be, you should you have to take care how to save the data. That is the most important. So exam before they can, sir, my system is crashed, I am not able to show the demo. That is not possible. So you have to take care your data to be secured either through mail or through various equipments like pen drive or a CD, whatever it may be, wherever you want, we can store it and keep it safe, your data. If something goes wrong, what is the other alternative also we have to find out. That's what the statement. So propose plan for backups of data and equipments. So this is many projects, at least, okay. You can say something sometimes to me, if it is you are showing to demo only for your respective teacher, you can take 1 day, 2 days excuse. Examination time be difficult. Suppose the same example, if it is happen for the banking, every second they have to take the backup. Every second they have to take the backup. Otherwise, it is very difficult. What will happen? Suppose when you are withdrawing some amount, sometimes you will not get money, it will be get detected. Some cases it is happened. For me only it is happened last week, 5,000 rupees. So what will happen? They will be taking the backup. Maybe after 1 day or after 2 days, they will be depositing to our accounts. That's what the backups is most important, especially in our field. So house construction project is different. Once if it is constructed of first floor, second floor, if they are not doing 2 months also, that building will be there, land will be there, it will not go anywhere. So that is different, case by case. That is the reason they had discussed about the scenarios. So where they have told one example for the technology for postman and another example for the museum. So that is what they propose plan for backups of data and equipments. Next is outline plan for migrating to the new systems. So outline plan. Suppose you are using one system. Suppose if it is going for the upgrade one, that one also should be supported for everything. That's what this step we had discussed initially also. Suppose when you are giving, for example, Amazon only we have taken many examples. Sometimes we'll be opening our mobile also, it should open. If you are using in the system also, it should open. So if it is Windows also, Linux also, wherever it will be the destination, such a way that they have to develop the application. So then only you can success in the business. So that means what? That's why the first step is nothing but the targeted the users. So when you are targeting what are all the users, then when you are developing the managing the skills, so that you have to take care. So that means mobile means according to that it should be fit. So now, for example, if you can be able to see the PPT in your mobile. So now, but I can see here some of the users also is visible. So like some of the users, Sharparas, Bindu, Shashank, Chetan, some of the photos are available. Some people they have hidden photos, some names are visible. All these things because my screen is bigger. So even you can see you have the options. So even though your mobile is small, but you can see all these things. That's why outline plan for migrating the new systems. This is what the second one. Next one is called the legal issues. Legal issues, this is most important. So we are in society, we are bounded by some rules, regulations, what does, what not to do. So that is most important for every human being. So if I'm having energy, I cannot hit somebody. So if you are having energy, you cannot hit by somebody. So we have to.
Few people don't have energy only, sir. Like
Huh?
Shashank.
What, Surya Prakash?
Few people don't have energy at all, sir. Like Shashank.
That's what you have energy. You cannot hit somebody, no.
I want it, sir. They'll cry.
That's because of the rules and regulations. Otherwise, even we'll do all the same thing.
Exactly, sir.
So correct. No, sometimes we'll get angry, but we'll control and we'll come back. Sometimes, some cases it will happen. So that is what the legal issue. Sometimes we'll think, hey, why to get the headaches and all. Okay, we'll compromise and we'll come. So that is will be happening. So that is what the legal issues. So you know that the legal issues because you are the major people, not kids. So this is nothing is there to explain, but still you have to discuss one or 2 points. So legal issues with respect to when they are starting the designing process, they should keep in their mind legal issues also. Legal issues also. Legal issues is nothing but, for example, I'll tell you in Bangalore what's happening, especially in real estate field. So somebody will sell it. So they will make layout, all these things outskirts. So to develop it will take 10 to 15 years sometimes, or 20 years. After 20 years, that person who has purchased, they'll come and they want to construct the house. That time, their kids or grandkids, they'll come and they'll tell it, hey, my share they have not given, and you stop at this one. What, Surya Prakash, correct, no?
Exactly, sir. Exactly, sir.
Exactly. We are seeing many cases this one. That is what the legal issues. When you are purchasing any sites, you have to take care. That's especially revenue sites. We are facing a lot of problems we are seeing in Bangalore. Even I am also one of the person to face the problems.
Oh.
So this is what happening. So that is what the legal issues. That is the reason many people in Bangalore, so they want to buy means they will ask either BDA approved or some of the approved cases. So inside the Bangalore, BDA, outside, so BMRD, something like that, they will be asking. So that means what? They have some of the process to undergo. So even if they take agriculture means they have to take the permissions from the government to convert this land agriculture to non-agriculture or to residential, all these things. Their cases are a bit less, but we cannot say no there also, but bit less. But especially agriculture land, so we have seen you people also you are seeing in and around. So that is what the legal issues. So designing process before starting any company, we need to see all these things, legal issues also. Not only like one more example I told you, if I have energy, I cannot hit somebody who doesn't have the energy. So not only that one. So not only fighting. So legal issues means many cases, all the diversions you have to think it and you have to start from that one. So that is what the legal issues, potential controversies. So what materials is eligible for copyrights? What eligible for the copyrights also? So one more thing is, for example, any materials or any projects when you are doing, when you are submitting, you have to submit by your own work, not somebody who has done already. So one of my students this time also it has happened. So he has developed one project, he has submitted here and he has given to his friend. Then even she has submitted. So her exam got over. This person caught. So he has resubmitted once again. My student only this time only in your senior only. So that's what you should be careful. That is also illegal. So once you develop, that's what you will be writing. This is a certificate paper, 6th semester. If you see it, their declaration you will be giving. Actually, mini project also you will be giving declaration. Just you are signing. You are not reading that. So you will be. This is to certify that so and so person bearing the register number under the subject under VTU. So I am doing my own this one. You will be writing and you will be giving the declaration form. So that means what? This is I have not copied anywhere and have developed my own, and this is my own project. That is what the declaration you will be signing in this one. So that is what the copyrights, all these things. So you have to think all legal issues, not only that one, not only hitting, fighting, so everything. So are copyrights or patents more appropriate for the user interfaces? So patents, that means some of the who are all the doing the PhDs and all, they will be making sometimes patent. That means what? Some of when we are giving the name for that, so nobody should take this name. So I want to register this. So if somebody register that one, I'm not responsible for that. So that means when they're developing 5 years, 6 years, so I'll be keeping one name here and I'll be developing that one. So after 4 years, somebody kept that name and they'll be taken the degree. So in that case, it will be happen problem. That's what legal issues. So you have to apply for the patent, copyrights. So all these things. So copyrights, patent is nothing but when you are doing the new things. So this is my own product. This one is I have developed it. So this one make it copyrights. So or patent. So even if somebody copies, I can go to the court stating that this is he has copied my innovation. So that's what the happening. Next, what constitutes copyrights infringement? So should user interfaces be copyrighted? Should user interfaces be copyrighted? So that's what you have to think it out. So should user interfaces be copyrighted? That means what? Users can be copyrighted as well. So sometime now we are seeing, for example, agriculture items, if you take it, if somebody stolen, identifying is difficult. Now you take our own examples, mobiles. If somebody steals, if police people wants to find out, they can find out because of some numbers they have given. So mobile people also, they will be giving insurance, theft insurance will give it. Suppose it goes, they can trace it out who is using all these things based on their system IP address. That means mobile IP address. So even if they remove that SIM and if they insert one more new SIM also, they'll be taken. That's why we'll be telling always second-hand mobile. If it is unknown people means we should not buy it. They'll be telling, sir, this is 18,000. I'm having urgent. I'll be giving for 5,000 only. If you want, you can take. If somebody says in the market unknown people, we should not buy it. Especially that is dangerous. So that is also whether to give it legal or not. So now mobiles we are getting. So even theft insurance 1 year, 2 years they will be giving. So we have to pay for that and they will be giving the theft insurance. So some of the items, cars, they are given. So something goes wrong or met with an accident or somebody stolen All these things, insurance policies they have given. That's what they should user interfaces be copyrighted, evaluate that one only. Next is evolving public policies related to. So public policies also we need to make it privacy. So privacy, what are the things to be make privacy, we have to make it. So for example, if you are doing internship in the companies, they will be telling that privacy. So students will be telling, sir, code they are not giving. They'll give only some of the screenshots, they will take it and they will be explaining. Okay, even in the IT also company, VT also will not be expecting the code, all these things. Just you work there and you tell me what you have done there, that's it. So not required to submit entire code, all these things. So that is what the privacy is. So privacy is most important. So they have believed you and they have given it, but you should maintain, you should bounded by their rules and regulations once you enter into the company, IT industry also. So that is what the internships details. That is also called privacy. So their company, they have the privacies until they release the product, they want to maintain the code privacy. So even you should be bounded. Working people also should be bounded for the rules and regulations. Liability related to system safety and reliability. Next is freedom of speech. Suppose when you're developing any products, so the employee, if they want to say the suggestions, sir, if you go this way, maybe problems will be getting. So if you change this one. So sometimes even high-end people also they should listen and they should be incorporated that one. So if they think I am the boss, whatever I'm saying, you do it, and then sometimes failures also will be coming. So the freedom of the speech is nothing but what? Even they should be able to tell it. So for example, if you say, sir, I am not understanding, you repeat it. That freedom you should have. So teacher or college has to give it that freedom. So you can ask the teacher, the particular teacher, sir, I didn't understand this, can you tell it once again? So that freedom also you should have. Otherwise, what will happen? You have to come there here. Only dictatorship means if I say, hey, you don't ask any questions, only you attend the class means that is meaningless. So that is the reason they have to evolving the public policies related to privacy, liability related to system safety and reliability, and freedom of the speech. So any organization, everybody should have the freedom of the speech. So if something I want to say this, whether it is possible or not, let them say. So then if it is genuine, you can consider. If otherwise, no, this will not be working out, you can say that the meaning. So this is not possible, we'll go according to that or not. So that's what. So then what will happen when I'm saying this statement, I will be relieved from that. So I will not be having any tensions that one. Whether they'll be considered or not, that is secondary. But the people should have the freedom to speech. Any organization, any workplace, they should have the freedom of the speech. So that is what the legal issues. These were the last topic. So 8 topics we had discussed. So any doubts in this, you can ask me. These were the outlines of this organizational design support usabilities. The 4 pillars of designing: development methodologies, ethnographic observation, participatory design, scenario development, social impact statement, and legal issues. So first, I have split these two is nothing but social impact statement and legal issues. Legal issues is nothing but I have made it to another one, so I have told it. So that is what the 8 topics in this one, managing designing process. So second unit of almost over. So another 2 to 3 topics are there, 4th chapter. I'll tell you the next class. So if you have any doubts, you can tell me. In this 4 pillars is the most important. So in this major question is 4 pillars only. Remaining is also important only, but at least okay. So all these things you have to read it. What, Surya Prakash?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Shall we stop now?
Sure, sir.
Okay. So have sent one Google form. Do you got it, all of you? Check it out. Google form. I'll send it. So already 4 people. Very good. You sent it already. 4 people. Reply also. Very good. So someone question I have asked you. The question is list out social impact statement for early design in designing process. That's what the question. You write it, that main headings only write it. No need to write in detail. List out. That's what the question. Not to describe or explain. List out means what are the main headings you have learned it today. That headings. Attendance purpose. Okay. I'll take attendance. (26) Answer attendance. 2,
Yes, sir.
3,
Yes, sir.
4.
Yes, sir.
Ajay, I called you, didn't respond only initially.
Sir, some network issue, sir.
Oh, very good, yeah. I will. So I cannot say anything now. Right. 5, 4. Amit.
Yes, sir.
5. Antima. 6,
Present, sir.
7,
Yes, sir.
8,
Yes, sir.
9,
Yes, sir.
10,
Yes, sir.
11. Gautami. 12. Gunashekar. 13.
Yes, sir.
14. Gunashekar also absent. 15.
Present, sir.
16. Naina.
Present, sir.
17. Nazma.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
18. Nidhi.
Present, sir.
19. Pradeep. 20.
Present, sir.
21. 22. Rajesh. 24.
Present, sir.
25.
Present, sir.
26.
Present, sir.
27.
Yes, sir.
29.
Present, sir.
All right. 30. 30.
Yes,
31.
sir.
31.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
33.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
34.
Present, sir.
50. Apurva.
Amrita, present, sir.
51.
Present, sir.
52.
Present, sir.
53.
Yes, sir.
54.
Present, sir.
55.
Present, sir.
54. Very Chetana.
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
Right. Now it is visible. 55.
Present, sir.
56.
Present, sir.
57.
Present, sir.
58.
Present, sir.
59. Murugesh.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Sleeping, sir. Morning only.
No, sir. Mic is not on immediately.
Okay.
Devudu.
Right, sir. 60. Money.
Present, sir.
61.
Present, sir.
62.
Present, sir.
63.
Present, sir.
64.
Present, sir.
65.
Present, sir.
66. Sadhana. 68.
Present, sir.
69.
Present, sir.
70.
Present, sir.
71,
Present, sir.
72,
Present, sir.
73,
Present, sir.
74, 75, 76,
Present, sir.
77.
Present, sir.
Right. All right. Next topic we'll see next class. So any doubts? Any doubts? Google form, all of you fill it. That is what the attendance will be considered later stages, it seems. That's what they've told it. So all the subjects I'm telling you, not only this subject. So even one or two cases, right, wrong, doesn't matter, but you try to attempt. Okay. So assignment, I'll be giving one assignment. So you submit after first test. So first test syllabus, probably first 2 units, maybe 1 unit full have completed, second unit almost 3/4 completed, more than half completed. We'll see how much I will be taking next week up to Thursday. How much I will be completing up to that one, it will be there. So otherwise I will not get 8 questions. So you study, so you know the test now, when it will be there. When is your lab theory test? Hello? 7, 8, 9 will be your test. So please,
Okay, sir.
7, 8, 9. So first test we'll be conducting. So we'll let you know how we are conducting. Be ready. Either objective or probably they're telling essay questions. We'll see that. But still we didn't get the informations. But you're ready for that. Any doubts? Shall we stop now?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you have to read once the textbook. So you should be able to write the statement, same statement. Sometimes looks like small answer, but you have to elaborate it. You have to fill the pages with proper headings. Then only you'll get the marks. I'm telling you. Okay, bye. Next class,
Bye, 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 bye.
revision class. We'll see once. That one I'll tell you. Right, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.